above piles. And today, we will talk about ductile iron piles as well as highlight main advantages. Ductile iron piles are made of spun cast iron in lengths between 5.0 to 5.65 meters with a conical spigot and socket end at either side for firm, rigid, and safe pile connection without any tools. Typical pipe diameters are 118 and 170 millimeters with different wall thicknesses. A complete pile consists of one pile shoe for grouted or non-grouted piles, several ductile iron pipes depending on design requirements, and one load transfer plate which can be embedded into the raft or strip foundation. Non-grouted end-bearing piles are recommended for projects in firm or hard soil, while grouted piles are selected where skin friction can be activated. The chemical composition of ductile iron makes these piles especially suitable for corrosion-sensitive applications. For the installation of ductile iron piles, you only need one hydraulic excavator of minimum 25 tons operating weight, the breaker hammer with adapter and grout box, and a suitable grout pump. Ductile iron piles, which can't be driven the full length, can be cut wherever required and used as a starter for the next pile. Not 1 meter is wasted. In Europe, an estimated amount of 800,000 linear meters of ductile iron piles are installed every year for the foundations of housings, industrial buildings, bridge embankments, slope stabilizations, underpinning works, transmission towers, and much more. They are a proven, certified, fast, safe, and economical alternative for many foundation works. Please contact us for more information of our ductile iron piles and visit our website to see our full range of materials, machines, and equipment for civil engineering projects. Looking forward to your comments, and thanks for watching.